If it tastes like shit now, I'll laugh at you. What are you saying? So fellas, I dropping out. I'm making it to the second part of this mukbang.
Yeah, we're good.
Because Christondc, he in some kind of heat. And I feel like Popeyes is new. I think you need there.
We will see through one time. Because, you know, let me show you the different part of this guy. Laugh, but you see how it's in park, right? See how it's in park there?
Yeah.
Fuck already.
Don't tell me I think they switch the drive one time.
No, it doesn't. I don't know what cars will start when you have it in park.
Yeah.
Alright, this car will start when you have it in park. And when you watch this, you see? See how it's in park there?
Yeah.
What's this? Oh shit, no, it's not!
Eh? You can say that like it's a miracle.
It's a... Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way.
You going the wrong way too. Like you just forget it's straight, right? The rules of the road don't really matter. Once you get your license, which you barely have to pay to pass the exam.
I bought for my license.
And all the examiners mail.
Dark class and all sorts of
So Christondc get fucked for a license. That the first time 3 people at once recognize you, you know. That shit, I don't know.
That shit normal.
Yeah.
And my whole bus was screaming, "That's it!" I'm like, yo, what's good, gang?
That is the reason that you take a picture on a bus?
Yeah, when I went on the bus, all of them was screaming for my name. And when I went, you didn't hear what the teacher said. All they do let that smile fool all there. And then the girl was like, why not? And I was like,
oh, they don't have to ask that question.
Oh, they know I pay, then I said, oh, they know I be higher on a man thing already.
Yeah. Can't play that game.
Some of them even have all the fucking
They don't even have a school ID or kind of thing.
I have all kind of ID. If the police pull me over now, my identification, I have a passport, I have my ID card, I have a driver's permit, I have an IS number, I have a fucking BIR number, where you need. Let me know where you need. Let me help you. Where you want? Let me know where. See this shit? Anybody else just put a car in park when not in traffic instead of holding along that bricks? I find that make more sense though.
I was really wait at traffic
anyway,
lights. Hey, watch it. Fucking indecisive. I feel that fella no walk past. He have like minimum 5 shares in the basement. He just look like the type, you know? That kind of Jeffrey Dahmer kind of, you know? Alex, what's his name?
I have enough gas in this car.
Do you? Oh, chopper.
I put 18. I'm more than enough.
I can fucking ugly in this way. Wow. Now, what the fuck you going to say?
Keep the slides.
Nah.
Slides. Yeah, if I like the sunny road is free, yeah, I don't catch shy side.
The fucking stance this man have.
All they know how to wait for a light to go left, right?
Go Christondc, calm down.
Them don't have to wait for a light to go left by
Scammers.
I'm going to last search on my phone.
Yeah.
Like, I'm going back with mac and cheese though.
My mother always tell me to do, you know, things that I'm passionate about. So when Christondc hit me up and told me, hey, we gonna need food, I was like, yeah. I thought she gave me a fucking egg.
Let's finish fast with mac and cheese.
These fries are horrendous too. I don't wanna lie.
Why, you don't like it?
No.
What's fries you take?
I just say fries and then I was like, good.
Mine, no, man.
So lesson learned here, do not eat anything that's certified Samsung promo.
What? How the fuck will you talk about? It's banging. Really biscuit. I can't eat biscuit though. Biscuit had a bang though. Biscuit had a bang though.
If you fuck up a biscuit?
You can't fuck up a biscuit though. It's not KFC.
Business.
It's not KFC after hours though. You can't fuck up a biscuit though. Mm-hmm. Mm. What is that?
Hmm?
What is that? It's like bacon butter.
Mm.
And?
Yeah. I should get one
No my cup of tea.
Hmm?
No my cup of tea. Hey, switch up the fucking engine now. Why you get... Ooh, what's so fuck... Ooh. Ooh.
So the girl behind the counter was real sweet. I thought I would be smart and have some like, you know, bad attitude, so she would spit in it. And I think we succeed, fellas. Really and truly.
You should have right tongue as well.
Well, fucking tell me that now. Tell me that now. Now, when we, not even in the same... If I'd find you when I was a child, I would have hold your head under water and never fucking bring you back up, you know.
My pastor, right? I baptized fucking. That's what I do when I was small.
Baptized it?
I was going to get baptized, but I find I was holding my head down while I little, so I started to kick up. And he bring me up, I started crying. And he pushed my head back. I said, hey.
I have an idea for a time. Podcast. Where it was a combination of Israel and a Christian. So I went to find with the fucking big strong Indian fellow.
Lost in that way, way. Like a child never eaten life, man. Cheese and that fucking butterfly, really.
Damn, bitch. You want a piece? Mm-hmm. So, I buy a burger. A burger, too.
Yeah, I am poverty now, boy, big dog, boy. Yeah, boy, oh, boy, yeah.
I ain't buying things again.
Wow.
Well,
I can't put a price on cat, so.
yes, I could. $2.50 again in Spanish. Would you ever pay for sex?
No. See, the thing is, I wouldn't say I just fumble with girl. I just consciously throw away the ball, then. You know? Because, so now I can really say it's my choice to be a virgin. You know? But I just consciously throw away them fucking chances, right? I don't know why. I don't know if I dotish or what, but I throw away the chances. Seems like I was saying earlier, I know this girl like me. It's very obvious. To this day, I never see a woman I see it in here, like, you know. I don't know if you watch Avatar, but like the previous Airbender Avatar, you know, she fucking hairline was all the way up here. That woman,
She old, though.
and I'll be seeing old woman with full head of hair, though.
That's somebody grandmother.
That is somebody grandmother, you know? That woman saw the beginning. Yeah.
Oh man, let's eat friend.
I fucking will it.
One better, there's so KFC.
Neither, both of them horrible. That
No.
tastes exactly like KFC.
No.
You know?
There's one more creamy. I can taste the cheese in this one.
God, I am fucking sweating now. Wow. Let's see this fucking had this mukbang in a sauna.
You have deluxe sandwich regular, that the one I buy, so 53. What do you like? 2 piece?
Yeah. Wait, dog, I don't know if it's cause
I'll try the mashed potato when I go back. And coleslaw.
I don't know if because I started to go to the gym and my body forcing me to eat less now, though.
That's it.
Wait, dog, I am
I still have things to eat, you know.
dog. I tap out, dog. Nah. I feel like only dog. My body rejecting being fat at this point, dog.
So guys, that'll be the end of the mukbang.
Fellas, don't be fat.
Ik vind het je maar zo'n die zie aan dog.
Oh, the boom ting.
Ja. Ja, man. Fuck my car.